everyone, this is a quick video on making a basic trivet that takes under an hour to make. You can make it out of any wood and any size, but it has to be a minimum of 1/4 inch in thickness. I had used pallet wood scraps for this project. There are 5 easy steps. 1. All you do is cut the wood to the size you want. 2. Use 150 and 220 grit sandpaper for a smooth surface. 3. Round off the sides. 4. Clean the wood with mineral spirits to get rid of any remaining dust. 5. Put protectant on. When you have completed all 5 steps, you now have your basic trivet. The basic trivet will protect your table surface from heat from your pot or pan. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope this inspires you for your next DIY project.